Friends, we are back with some new hacks. So today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go very easily after the Android security patch. So let's begin it. But first, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit a like. So let's begin. So first, you need to download this app. This is fake GPS free from Play Store, and it's the new app. And the second app is fake GPS free Joystick, but it is you need to purchase it, so I didn't recommend you. But if you purchase it, you can get a joystick in that free joystick. It is similar app to this one, and in this app we didn't get joystick, but it works after the Android security patch. So let's begin it. So first you have to open the app and go into the settings and sure that you are on this no root mode. Once you have enabled it, so I have enabled it, and the joystick mode is not allowed over here. See, enable over joystick to control allow to flexible joystick and roots only. So that's the different app, but this app also works. So I selected this location, patch at 9. Yep, I have selected it. I have enabled this, and just now I'm going to start my Pokemon Go. It may take a bit time as my net is slow, but please and if I get more than 100 views to this video, I'm gonna definitely put my next video. But the next video would not be about Pokemon Go, but it would be about Clash of Clans. So in that video I'm gonna tell you the best trick to hack, or it is the trick to get gems in Clash of Clans legally. In that video I'm not going to show you about the different website, but I'm going to show you the directly trick to you. So please subscribe my channel and hit a like. So sorry my net is bit slow, but yeah. So sorry for net. It may take some time, and don't worry about this fake signal. It's not true. If you hack your Pokemon Go, this error usually comes. So my game is loaded now. Loading. This don't worry. I will show you the trick in this video how to remove that error. So see, it's loaded. So to remove that error, go in with this fake GPS and once again enable it. I have started my you can see the GPS signal is found now. So it was the fake error, and you can see. So I'll catch a Pokemon or Trinity. I'll catch it surely. So this is the way I'll show you it is able to catch her. Please see this video for me. In few days I'm going to do the gameplay of this hack, so be online. What's this happening now? My signal. God damn. Anything is ran away. I catch this marker for you. Yes, it's animal. Marker no air mode. Yes, it was a great throw. And see, you are able to catch any Pokemon here. It's the best thing about this. It is the magical. You can also fight in gym and do everything, but surely through that you would run move your location to a long distance in very small time, as you can get soft ban. So my GPS sorry, my net is was slow. And this problem may not come to you if you have a strong GPS signal. I didn't have it. See that network. It's not opening only, man. I need to do it again. And now go to a different location. And this technique really works. See, now it will go more. My network, man. Jump it. You see, it's smooth. And this technique is very cool. Sorry, I can't attack in red now. I can't attack in red. As it nights and there is no red at night. So that's it. So please subscribe my channel. Just so that's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like. Okay, goodbye.